Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network, Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan called for efforts to stabilize the new Afghan setup as it is the only way forward for regional peace. The Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority has reportedly allowed Afghan Air to operate flights from the country's federal capital, Islamabad. Retired Lieutenant General Ishfaq Nadeem passed away due to a cardiac arrest on Friday. Digital Media Development Program, a flagship initiative as per the vision of Prime Minister Imran Khan, is launched by Digital Media Wing, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, in partnership with the United Nations Development Programme. Prime Minister Imran Khan, along with key federal ministers, Chief Ministers of Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, visited Inter-Services Intelligence Secretariat on Friday. Prime Minister Imran Khan said on Friday that the PTI-led government was the first in the history of Pakistan to ensure the complete independence of the media. Counter-Terrorism Department arrested 8 suspected terrorists associated with an outlawed outfit in an intelligence-based operation in Punjab. Karachi police have been directed to halt action against unvaccinated citizens as 38 people who did not possess COVID vaccination certificates were arrested following the stern directives. Pakistan has reported 2016 new corona infections while 42 people lost their lives in the last 24 hours. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.